Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options. Then we need to select Troubleshoot. Then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute this command. Type C:, then hit enter. Now type cd space C:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space *** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command cd space C:/. Now type cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcdedit space /exports space C:/ bcd backup, then hit enter. Now type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib space C:/ -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type run space C:/ \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.